Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. This is the final time tonight. We're just letting the Erie, Crawford, and the Ohio residents know that the severe thunderstorm watch for North Central, Northeast, and Northwest Ohio counties, as well as Crawford and Erie counties in Pennsylvania, has been canceled tonight. So that's good news to report. But the severe, or I beg your pardon, the showers and thunderstorms are still going on throughout the evening and towards the middle of the night. So again, the severe thunderstorm watch for three different Ohio counties, as well as Erie and Crawford counties of Pennsylvania, has been canceled. So that's good news to report. But let's go ahead before we end the video and review the forecast for tonight before we end today. Here's the forecast for tonight. Thunderstorms early with fog developing overnight. Low 59. Chance of rain 70%. Locally heavy rainfall possible. For Friday, showers early with mostly cloudy skies later in the day. High 72. Chance of rain 40%. Here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. Showers early with some clearing overnight. Low 60. Chance of rain 40%. Locally heavy rainfall possible. For Friday, showers early, then sunshine for the afternoon. High 73. Chance of rain 40%. And Friday night, partly cloudy, low 57, winds south or northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Oh, by the way, here's the forecast for Friday night around Titusville. A few clouds, low 56. Here's the forecast for Erie. There's already a thunderstorm out there in Pittsburgh. I've seen that. So, and rain is already raining in Greenville as well. So, here's the forecast for Erie tonight. Partly cloudy early with showers developing after midnight. Low 63. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, showers early to becoming less numerous later in the day. High 74, chance of rain 40%. And Friday night, partly cloudy. A stray shower or a thunderstorm, it's possible. Low 65. Here's the forecast for for Northeast tonight. They're saying partly cloudy with late night showers or thunderstorms. Low 64. Chance of rain 50%. For Friday, showers early, then some clearing for the afternoon. High 74. Chance of rain 40%. And Friday night, a few clouds from time to time. A stray shower or thunderstorm, it's possible. Low 64. Winds, northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And that's it. They just canceled the severe thunderstorm. They just canceled the severe thunderstorm watch about 2 or 3 hours ago tonight, after while the thunderstorms are still going on, but still. Also, I didn't get to that last weather update. There was a severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for Erie, Crawford, and 2 other Ohio counties until and until um until 8:15 p.m. It was about 3 hours ago. I was going to do that weather update, but I didn't get that. So, but we did get but we got at least got the severe thunderstorm watch and the severe thunderstorm warning is all we can get. So. So. Alright, it's getting late out here. We've been around going on for 6 minutes right now. This is my last video of the night. So this is probably going to be it for tonight. For Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, the severe thunderstorm watch for Erie and Crawford counties of Pennsylvania, as well as North Central, Northeast, and Northwest Ohio counties has been canceled tonight. So that's good news to report. They just canceled that watch about at least 3 hours ago tonight. And while the thunderstorms were still going on and all that stuff happens here tonight. So we're gonna get off for tonight, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. We're gonna remind everyone one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, alongside Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We have 35 subscribers on there, and we have almost 500 videos on the regular channel page to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channels. Check it out. Also, too, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. We have 159 subscribers on there, and we have over 2,700 videos of trains and trainless videos to enjoy. Trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. But we're going to get off for tonight, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Everybody else have a good night, and we'll be back on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more videos with the returning of Abby Carson. Talk to you then. What is this? What is that? Did they cancel the severe thunderstorm watch? Did they? They did. Yep, they sure did cancel the severe thunderstorm watch. It was supposed to be in effect until 11 o'clock this evening, but the National Weather Service decided to cancel it before the severe thunderstorm watch got expired. So, okay, I see. Alright, that's going to be it for tonight for Jeffrey's regular channel page. Thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Everybody else have a good night, and we'll be back on tomorrow for more on the Train Expert channel for more videos. I can't able to go live, but we're still gonna do some regular camcord versions on here tomorrow here on the Train Expert channel for more. So we'll be on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more videos in the regular camcord versions only with the returning of Abby Carson. Talk to you then.